Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Amidst Texas' scorching heat, the Houston Showdown unfurled, a testament of endurance and cricketing zeal. East Broncos and North Bears convened, bat and ball in hand, for a Master 50 Nationals display that promised a battle of prowess and will.
The Bears sized up the Broncos under the Texan sun, a duel brimming with strategy and skill. Today's chronicle, etched in sweat and determination, would reveal who stood the taller in Houston's cricketing folklore.
In a tale of twists and talent, the North Bears roared triumphantly, outplaying the East Broncos in a spectacle short and sweet. Prowess with the ball set the narrative, scripting a straightforward chase that left fans in awe.
The Bears, seizing the advantage after winning the toss, unleashed their bowling fury. The Broncos stumbled, their innings short-lived, setting the stage for a Bears hunt that was clinical, sharp, and decisive.
Broncos' innings was a tale of crumbling citadels, despite the stoic stand of Baliram Nayak. It was the bowlers from the Bears, particularly Deepak Chadha with his frugal spell, who spun the web-trapping Broncos in despair.
The Bears bowlers, with strategic mastery and precision, sighed through the Broncos lineup. Ananta's double strike and Chadha's triple blow, a symphony of seam and swing, scripted the innings' early demise.
With minimal runs to defend, the Broncos needed miracles that never came. Bears duo, Alam and Shahzad, stitched a partnership that saw the chase home, a walk in the park illuminated by Alam's blistering stroke play.
The Broncos' defense held no secrets for the Bears' batsmen. While Javed and Atre bowled tight lines, it was the onslaught from Alam that tipped the scales. Shahzad's steady hand guided the narrative to its inevitable conclusion.
Deepak Chadha, with his miserly and lethal spell, emerged as the architect of the Broncos' downfall. Fazal Alam's bat thundered, turning the match into a spectacle, while Ananta's strikes were the initial cracks in the Broncos' armor.
It was Alam's swashbuckling innings that broke the back of the chase, ensuring victory. Chadha's spin web was pivotal, laying the foundation for triumph, with each twist of his wrist changing the contest's fate.
The Bears emerged victors by 9 wickets, a testament to their bowling superiority and clinical chase. The Broncos' inability to build innings, assaulted by the Bears' strike bowlers, led to a meek surrender.
In this Houston showdown, Bears showcased mastery and Broncos fell. The 9-wicket win speaks of dominance in all departments, a clinical finish hinting at a deeper tale of preparation meeting opportunity. Like a maestro conducting a symphony, Chadha's spell was reminiscent of Vaughan's magic. The match, a narrative of strategy and skill, sets a precedent for Bears, leaving Broncos to ponder their approach for future battles.
As the sun sets over Houston, this day will be remembered for the Bears' strategic triumph and the Broncos' resilience in the face of defeat. This chapter closes, but the narrative of this tournament, rich with potential epics, marches on.